What's up, Screamers? Today we're unboxing the A301 motors we got from First. Let's check it out.
Alright, so in the package there comes a lot of other stuff because it's a new system and teams aren't expected to have all the stuff. We have a Milwaukee charger and a Milwaukee battery that we'll be using for running the robot. A little bit of the shaft. We already bought some of this from Rev, which is the 15-tooth spline that will power be moved by the A301s themselves. We have a few other things that we haven't looked at yet. Looks like,
That was pretty fancy.
completely sure what this is. I'm guessing this is just
I think that goes on the robot.
Yeah, battery mount for the robot.
Yeah, that's the XT.
Yeah, because it's got the connector for the
90?
motion core.
I'm guessing a fuse here.
We got a cover for the XT90.
I don't know. It doesn't look like to come off. I'm not completely sure if I should be trying to take that off, so look at that later. Then we have the A301s.
We've got 8 of them.
And the package that is meant for using a hybrid system. So we have 8 A301s, and then we'll be using the expansion hub along with the motion core Systemcore, I believe.
Yeah. Yeah, you can do system core and expansion hub, or you can do system core and motion core.
Have that there. It comes with a couple of gearboxes. And we have what?
What RPMs are those?
This is 500 and 215. Break out the spline to see how it fits in there.
Do you have different RPMs?
No, it's just 500 and 215 for our testing.
Fits in there nicely, smooths well, or spins well. In low torque.
If I remember correctly, you had to kind of use your fingers to spin that. That's why you put it in, or a gear.
There we go.
Got it.
Got it in there. It's the 500 RPM one.
It's so small.
Yeah, it's smaller than I remembered it being at Worlds.
Feels high torque.
How's the 500 feel? Do we want to scale? Do you know how much these weigh?
I don't know. It probably varies a little bit. I can spin it more easily if this one here sounds like a servo.
It's pretty loud.
Yeah, just spinning it by hand.
One of them plug in here.
Can we just hook these ones up to power?
That's a good question.
At the start, there's like a little bit of slop, but not much at all. Okay.
Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like seeing the A301s for the first time. We'll be making more videos in the future about them to let you guys know on if they're a good motor or not. Thanks for watching, and scream you later.